Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product designed to elevate your styling routine. The T3 Switch Kit Professional Ionic Interchangeable Curling Iron with 3 ceramic clip and wand long barrels. This curling iron promises to give you smooth, shiny results while allowing you to create versatile curls and waves with its innovative design. Let's take a closer look at what this product has to offer. The T3 Switch Kit is built with a powerful ion generator and ceramic barrels to enhance your hair's natural shine. It includes 3 interchangeable barrels, a clip barrel for defined curls, and 2 wand barrels for loose, beachy waves. With 9 adjustable heat settings, it caters to different hair types, making it a versatile tool for any styling preference. The ceramic barrels ensure even heat distribution, preventing damage and promoting healthy-looking curls. In my personal experience with the T3 Switch Kit, I found it to be surprisingly easy to use. The interchangeable barrels made styling a breeze. I could switch between the clip barrel and wand barrels without any hassle. When I tested the clip barrel, it gave me well-defined curls with minimal effort. The wand barrels allowed me to create looser waves, which were perfect for a more relaxed, tousled look. The heat control is a game changer. I was able to adjust the temperature according to my hair type, which is a feature I really appreciated. Whether you have fine, medium, or thick hair, you can find the right setting for your needs. However, it's not all perfect. The T3 Switch Kit does take a little longer to heat up than I would have liked, and for the price, I was expecting a quicker response time. While the ion generator does help with frizz control and shine, I didn't find it to make a dramatic difference compared to other products in the same category. Also, the ceramic barrels, while effective, can be a bit tricky to clean if you're using a lot of product in your hair. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, the T3 Switch Kit stands out for its versatility, allowing you to create different looks with the interchangeable barrels. The adjustable heat settings and ion generator are definite highlights that contribute to smoother, shinier curls without the damage. The design is sleek and feels premium, thanks to the white and rose gold color scheme. On the downside, the longer heat up time and the cleaning challenge of the ceramic barrels are areas where it could be improved. Additionally, for the price, you might expect just a bit more in terms of performance speed and ease of maintenance. When considering value for money, the T3 Switch Kit is on the higher end of the price spectrum. While it certainly offers versatility and premium features, the trade-off in terms of heat up time and cleaning could be a factor for some. It's worth asking, is the premium price tag justified by the performance? In comparison to similar products, the T3 Switch Kit certainly holds its ground. Many other curling irons in this price range offer only 1 barrel or lack the adjustable heat settings. However, there are more affordable options that offer similar results, especially when it comes to ceramic heating and styling versatility. Brands like Beautyistic or Conair offer multi-barrel curling irons at a lower cost, though they might not match the T3's sleek design or premium feel. Regarding build quality, the T3 Switch Kit impresses with its sturdy construction. The materials feel solid and the barrels are durable. There's no question that it's built to last, but the heat up time might leave you wanting more. As for customer support, T3 is known for having responsive customer service. I didn't need to reach out during my testing, but based on their reputation, I'm confident that any issues would be handled promptly. To wrap it up, the T3 Switch Kit Professional Ionic Curling Iron offers impressive versatility and sleek design. But its longer heat-up time and maintenance could be deal-breakers for some. If you're willing to invest in a high-end tool for styling, it's a solid option, especially if you love having the flexibility to create different looks. However, if you're looking for something faster or more budget-friendly, there are alternatives that might fit the bill. If this review helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other styling enthusiasts can find this video too. Thanks for joining me on this review here at Beautyistic. Link to the product is in the comments box below. Feel free to share your thoughts or ask any questions if you've already tried this product. Until next time, keep your beauty in Beautyistic style.